Today, guys, we're going to be doing a shorter video than normal. And we're going to be talking about bird bills and beaks. Bird beaks are designed and function to meet the needs of the bird that has them. They allow the bird to eat. They allow the birds to filter for food, catch insects, crack seeds, open up prey, and even drill into wood. For example, and it's okay to make fun of my drawings because I am not an artist. If you look here, this is my rendition of a flamingo bill. Their beaks are designed to take in water, swish it, trap the food that they eat, and then release the water. Raptors, and that's a really bad one, are birds of prey, and their beaks are designed to tear into prey and then to tear off pieces of meat. Other beaks are designed for crushing seeds or for extracting seeds out of pine cones. Crows and their relatives have beaks that are pretty adaptable. Herons and woodpeckers have bills that are designed to chisel out wood or to spear into fish. Hummingbirds may have a curved beak, or they have a very thin beak that helps them reach in the flowers. And insect eaters have sort of a pointed beak that allows them to really easily grab onto insects or worms. And that is our video for today.